Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use Pure Dating app. First, download the Pure Dating app from the App Store or Google Play. After it is installed, open the app and sign in using your Google or Facebook account. Next, the app will ask some questions to create your profile. Start by selecting whether you are a man or a woman. After that, it will ask about your sexuality. Choose the option that best describes you. Then you will be asked to enter your birth date. Make sure it is correct because you cannot edit it later. After your birth date, the app will ask for your height. Enter it accurately. Then you will be asked about the languages you speak. You can select more than one if needed. Next, Pure will ask what you are looking for. You can choose options like casual connections or other types. After that, it will ask what turns you on. Select an option that applies to you. Then it is time to add a photo. You can add multiple photos, but at least one is required to complete your profile. Make sure it is clear and shows you well. Once your profile is complete, the main dashboard will appear. Here you can see other profiles, but to interact with them and to have your profile seen by others, you need to publish your profile to the feed. Publishing requires a subscription. You can also go to your profile anytime to edit details, add albums, or change information. This helps keep your profile up to date and attractive. Thanks for watching.